Hello techies! In this session, we will learn how to install and configure Cursor IDE step by step. Cursor is an AI-powered development environment that helps us write, understand, debug, and improve code faster. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor which is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. After this setup, we will connect Cursor with Claude Code and start building AI-powered development workflows professionally. There are few simple steps to set up Cursor IDE and connect with Claude Code. Step 1 is that we are going to install the Node.js. Second step, install Claude Code CLI. And third step, we are going to download and install Cursor IDE. And fourth step, we are going to open the terminal to connect with Claude Code. These are the few simple steps what we have to install and configure Cursor IDE. In our previous tutorials, step 1 and step 2, that is install Node.js and install Claude Code CLI, has been successfully done. Alright. Now, in this tutorial, at the third step, we are going to download and install the Cursor step by step. Let me switch to the browser and then we are going to navigate to official website for the Cursor, that is cursor.com. Once you have opened the cursor.com, there you can see Cursor is your coding agent for building ambitious software. There you can download for Windows. Let me click on download for Windows. There you can see Cursor user setup has been downloaded successfully. Let me go to the downloads folder. There you can see the Cursor user setup has been downloaded successfully. Now I am going to install this Cursor by double clicking on this exe file. Let's double click on that. There you can find license agreement. I accept the agreement and then I'm going to click on next. There you can see at the second step we need to select the destination location where this Cursor has to be installed. I'm going to give in my program files /cursor and then I'm going to click on next. In the start menu folder, we are going to give the folder over here as a Cursor and then I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to give the additional tasks such as I'm going to create a desktop icon for this Cursor and then I'm going to give the open with Cursor action to Windows Explorer file context as well as open with Cursor action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. I'm going to select these two options. This is same as Visual Studio Code which we have seen earlier. And also I'm going to add the path and then I'm going to click on next. Now our Cursor is ready to install on my local desktop. Let me click on install. There you can see it is trying to extract all the files and it will take some time to install Cursor on my local system. Now my Cursor IDE has installed successfully on my local computer. There you can see click finish to exit and then I'm going to launch my Cursor once I'm going to click on finish. Let me click on finish. Now, if you are going to open the Cursor for the first time, at the first time you have to sign up for the Cursor. I'm going to select the sign up Cursor and there I'm going to continue to sign up and there I'm going to provide continue with Google. You can choose any one of the option over here such as continue with Google, continue with GitHub, continue with Apple based on the account which you are having it. Right now I'm going to select continue with Google and there I'm going to provide my email ID. Let me select that and there I'm going to providing the access to that by clicking on continue and then I'm going to log in into my Cursor desktop by using my email ID, that is learningtechnologies2020@gmail.com. And then I'm going to select yes, login. And there you can see my Cursor has been signed up successfully with my email ID, that is learningtechnologies2020@gmail.com. Now at the final step, we want to open the terminal in Cursor for the Claude Code. How can I go ahead and do that? There you can see I'm having the menu such as file, edit, view, and help, right, for the Cursor. There you can see if you go for the file and there you will find new terminal. I'm going to open the terminal by clicking on new terminal. There you will find on the right hand side there is the PowerShell script. I'm going to provide the command in such a way, Claude and then I'm going to click on enter. Let's get started. I'm going to choose the style that looks like with our terminal. I'm going to select auto terminal and then I'm going to click on enter. Now for the login into the Claude code, there are three methods are available. One is Claude account with subscription. Second one, Anthropic console account. Third one, third party platform. Right now I'm having Claude account with subscription. I'm going to select the Claude account with subscription, which I'm having pro subscription. Let me click on enter, which it will redirect to Claude.ai. I'm going to provide the authorization for Claude Code to connect my Claude chart account. I'm going to authorize that. There you can see you will get build something great. You all set up for the Claude Code. You can now close the window. Let me close that. And there you can see inside my terminal that login with learningtechnologies2020@gmail.com has successfully logged in. Now in Cursor, I'm going to open the AI chart and then I'm going to ask create a simple Node.js Express application with one home page and one API endpoint, and then I'm going to click on enter or send. Alright, I hope you understand how to download and install Cursor IDE from the official website, that is cursor.com. And also we have learned how to open the terminal in Cursor to connect with Claude Code as part of this tutorial.